Yeah, we have started our stream. Yeah, let's give it a wait for others to join real quick so that everyone can catch up. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sending links right now to all of those who are going to be in this lesson. Yeah, we have started it early because we want to first analyze and we see where the market will be going. Yeah. Yeah, this is a 1 day time frame chart which we are going to first analyze. We shall start with the 1 day time frame chart. Yeah, man. Hope everyone has joined because we are going to start anytime from now. Yeah. See how many are on right now. Okay, so I've started it right away. So this is a 1 day time frame Euro USD. Yeah, so we're going to be analyzing two charts, the Euro USD chart and the DXY chart. Why? Because the DXY and the Euro USD move in opposite directions. Like they can't correlate but in opposite direction. If the Euro USD is selling like you are seeing here, the DXY will be buying. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So let's start with the DXY chart. You can see right now you have this two red candles. So let's take this row. We have two red candles going down and they have these lower lows. As you know, NFP always likes taking either highs or lows in the market. So it is either going to take these ones or these ones. Yeah. So we are going to analyze more to see where and which side is it probably going to go. On my opinion, I'm hoping Euro USD will sell to take out all these lows. Yeah, it is going to just come and manipulate a little bit up here, then it sells all the way down here. That's my take on Euro USD. And then DXY, I'm hoping it buys. Yeah. So let's see the analysis in a lower time frame, because this is a day time frame. So we shall go to 4-hour time frame. First of all, 4-hour time frame. Let's see how the market looks like. If you take a good look, you will see we have a good imbalance right there, or what they call a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap on DXY down below, and this market is probably into this fair value gap. This is a big one on H4. So we have also a smaller one on let me just go to on our time frame. Good to go slow. We have time. We have like 30 minutes from now. So yeah, man. Hope you are prepared your accounts already. Which one is showing us probably let's go to H2. I want that fair value gap inside there, the down one, though it's not clear. This one, I want this one. Let me just mark it. This one. And I'm hoping this market is going to come down to tap into this. I was analyzing this market from the beginning, from the morning it was here. From morning it has been in this place. It is moving slowly because it doesn't want to tap into this fair value gap. That's why it is moving slow and slow and slow. Yeah. But probably if the NFP starts, you see its movements. It will come, tap into this fair value gap, the lower one, and then it will go up to cover this this space missing here. Hope you are seeing that. Which space am I meaning? This one, because if I'll move this marking very well. You can see there's space. This gap should not be there. So the market always closes its gaps. If you check at the back, if you have any gap around like this one, the market came back to tap into that gap. So if the market leaves the gap, it probably comes back. The gap is like a fair value gap. Okay, a fair value gap is this one. So even this one is also called a gap. Yeah. And always the market has to cover its gaps that it leaves behind and fair value gaps also. So I'm expecting this market to move from here down if the NFP starts to right here. Make this red. Yeah, that is DXY. So if it is DXY, I'm expecting it to go into this fair value gap and move into this. So my movement will be like from here to here to here. Yeah. So if you go to Euro USD, it means it is the setup is a buy setup. So on Euro USD to be sell setup the opposite way. Hope you are getting me right and clear. So as you saw, let's first go to the 1-day time frame, because you should analyze the same way that we have done on DXY. I want us to trade Euro USD because when the market starts moving, our blockers Exness, FBS, they are likely not to increase spreads on Euro USD, but on other currencies like USD CAD, GBP USD, they will increase the spreads. Yeah, always the spreads of Euro USD are always low on most blockers, so that's why I'm mainly focusing on the Euro USD. Yeah. 1 day time frame, it is showing us it has been consolidating for a bit up. There is no fair value gap that it is going to cross into, apart from this one, which is very far, and we are not expecting this market to come back to this fair value gap because it is so far. Even if NFP moves, it is likely not to close up this side. Okay, and if you see very well, we have a little fair value gap on a 1 day time frame just below this candle. Yeah, that one. And if you go to H4, you can see this gap that I'm meaning. So the market is likely to come back into this gap. So the good thing about analyzing DXY and Euro USD, if you get the same what they say, if you get the same setup, like if Euro USD is telling you that you sell it and DXY it is telling you that you buy it, it means your setups are likely to go in profits, because the same currencies which go opposite direction, they are showing you the same side. Like, remember, this is Euro USD. I'm just clearing what I'm meaning. This is Euro USD, it is buying, and this is DXY, it is selling. So they are moving in different directions, but they are correlating. If Euro USD is selling, DXY will be buying. They will never go in the same direction. So it means they move in different direction, but that is also a correlation. So if this setup is a buy setup, this market will tap into this fair value gap and buys. It means on Euro USD, I am expecting this market to take out these two highs, reach somewhere. I'm not expecting it to take out this high, because if it takes out this high, the setup would probably be a buy setup. But I want, according to the DXY setup, I'm hoping this market takes out either this high or the two of these two, and then turns into this fair value gap, or it takes away these two down. So the market has two jobs, and I'm hoping it first sells before it buys, because NFP is hard to know where it's going to move, or buy or sell. So it always fluctuates up and down. So, but if it starts selling, it will sell into this gap, and it might just goes fast to this gap, then turns. If it goes into this gap, if it moves down at the open of the NFP and reaches this step, we shall buy it. If it opens and takes away these highs, you can see on DXY there was a fair value gap in the same way, but in the opposite way. It was around here. Yeah. From right here to here, then up, or it will just take away these highs up here, maybe somewhere there, to make these equal highs. Then it turns down real quick into this fair value gap. So I'm hoping it has to go in between that fair value gap. Okay, this fair value gap, it is demanding it to come back into that place. Hope I'm clear about that. Yeah, so let's check on other currencies also, just a little take, though I didn't want to check on them, but I still have some good time. This is Euro US GBP USD. If we check the news time, check 1 minute. CAD will be hit so much, CAD and USD according to the news, but always NFPA hurts all the currencies, so when GBP USD should check it. Start with this 1 minute time frame. GBP USD, it has been giving a good setups, yeah, because according to ICT I can say good setup right here. This was a good favor gap and this was a move down and the up, a move lower, then a move upper, or what they call the rally. Then the market comes back into the favor gap. The stop loss is always here, and then you take a big shot up. Yeah, it is buying crazy. You can see right there, but NFP has not reached yet, so that is just a manipulation movement before the NFP reaches. This market might sell GBP USD, yeah, because it has been buying from the morning, so probably it has to sell somehow. It doesn't just going to buy because it has it. These guys who run these markets, they know very well that people have been buying GBP USD from the morning, so they have to make them some losses, or they have to take down their stop loss. And even the big banks, they have been buying this market, so probably just to sell back into this fair value gap or just pass through it with a sell. And a good look at GBP USD, it shows even there's a favor gap down, and also on Euro USD we have a favor gap down. Yeah, that is a good look to show that this market, if GBP USD will sell, it means even Euro USD will sell, because both of them are ending with USD, and USD is always strong. So if this currency is showing that it has a favor gap down, it means it will probably all the currencies ending with the USD, they are likely to sell. And if they are likely have if they all have favor gaps down, or according to your strategy or anything you use to trade, if you are seeing any setups of sell, probably that's the best chance to trade. Yeah, so let's check another. Before we go further, let's first check on H4 to see GBP USD highs and lows. We have a favor gap right here, which is into it already. Yeah, this one on H4. Let's first go on day. We see all that favor gap is vital. So on one day it's not there, so this favor gap is on only H4, which is not a strong one. That's why this market has been moving through it. Okay, have this high right here, so this market, it might come down to tap into this favor gap, then takes away these highs, or even these ones, according to how NFP will move. But I'm thinking if NFP opens, it will probably sell into this favor gap right there, then buys. That's my take. Yeah. This is USD JPY H4. Let's look at this. Let's first go to 1 day time frame. the time frame is buying but is making a little retracement down. So if it is making a retracement from the morning, that means it is probably going to buy. That's a quick look, because if it is making it, if it has been making a retracement from the morning, this sorry, not from the morning, because this is like from Tuesday, I think so. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is from Wednesday, this is Thursday, then this is today. So it has been selling for like 3 days, and even today. So I'm not thinking this USD JPY will still sell when it has been selling like for 3 days. It's probably going to buy because it had a strong buying momentum on was it Monday, Tuesday. If you can see right down here, can see that this is Tuesday. Yeah, it bought on Tuesday the full day and closed at the top here, and it has been selling since all of that day. And if you are a good person who trades ICT, you can see that this candle, if this market closed right here with this candle, this is probably from here to here is a fair value gap, and this market has sold into this fair value gap, and probably it has react at the top. Am I clear about that? Yeah, so USD JPY buy. Just my movement on USD JPY. Euro JPY. So Euro JPY, for this one, it has been choppy for a long time. As you can see, this is a daily time frame and it has been choppy for a long time, so let's leave this alone. Yeah, NZD USD, you can see a lot of setups right here, a lot of them. Yeah, didn't rub them off. Okay, this is a day time frame on NZD USD, and it is probably moving into this fair value gap, a big one. And always, if you say fair value gap, this market is likely to move into this fair value gap until it reaches the middle of this fair value gap. So probably have to look for buys until the market reaches in between around here, around there. Yeah, there. So this market is probably going to buy reaches this blue line, then start selling, because it is also leaving fair value gaps down, though this one has not been closed yet. This candle has to close for this one to become a fair value gap, because the NFP can come and close this down, which means it will not be a fair value gap, but it has not been yet a fair value gap because this candle hasn't closed yet, the candle of today. Yeah, but this one has already became one fair value gap. So this market is probably going to go until it reaches the middle of this, or it might even sell before it reaches the middle, or it might even pass through. But my likely way, or 70% sure, it will reach the middle of here. And this is a day time frame. It means if this day time frame is showing us to reach there, let's first go to H2. I probably do this most times, so you can see it is taking out these highs. Yeah, in most cases, if you find markets such like this, you go to, if you see a fair value gap anywhere but the market hasn't reached there and it is almost reaching there, the best take is to go on a 1 year time frame like this. You look for just smaller setups that will help you reach the middle of the fair value gap, because the market, if it is probably going for the fair value gap, it's always going for it. So if you get good setups like this one, you can see right here, this one, there was a fair value gap here, but this candle came down here and closed it, so it is no longer there. But if this candle closes a little bit around here, maybe here, I was buying right here, but this one closed the fair value gap there, so that's why even the market is still selling down. But if you look down, yeah, always good setups to take you up. First look at the cross. If this okay, there is no fair value gap, but the market is reacting at the top. Okay, there's this one right here. You can take this one and stop. You put your stop loss here, and then you hold this market until it reaches at this point, because also the time it is 6 minutes to NFP, so probably this fair value gap will work for you. Even this one was right here, the candle that bought and reached a certain level and closed. This one, if it doesn't close up into this week, it means this gap has become a fair value gap. So if the market sells back into this gap, it always buys. That's the way how fair value gap works. So even the same thing, this one opened right here and bought, closed somewhere up here, then this one opened, didn't close down until this week, which means this one became a fair value gap. That's why if the market came back into this space, just bought straight away. Okay, and if we had a fair value gap right here, if this candle bought like this and closed here, and this one didn't just come down and close this space, this had become a fair value gap, and we would take it seriously to buy this market onto this line of the bigger fair value gap on a high time frame. Yeah, this is NZD USD. Let's go see GBP AUD. The markets that have been buying since morning are likely to sell, and those who have been selling, they are likely to buy. That's the concept of NFP. But the hardest way is NFP is run by some people, so it doesn't move according to the algorithm of the charts. So it might passes through your setup, like I'm very sure that you have ever traded NFP if you are here and you know how it moves. Yeah, the reason why it moves like that, it's because these guys see where people are much trading most, and then they put their setup, they buy. If they see you selling, they buy, but not you, not particularly you, but those bigger institutions, they can see that this institution and this it is selling, and this institution, this bank is selling, and this bank is buying, just like that, not you. But the reason why you also get affected, because the strategy that you are using, it is like the same strategy that those banks are also using, and somehow same concepts. That's why you also get affected. Yeah, so we should get ready because we want to sell Euro USD and the market opens up. Understand? Yeah. Am I now watching right now? 16. Okay. You may like the video if it has reached your expectations. Yeah, let's wait for the impact. Euro USD, I want to sell it. Yeah, we shall be scalping, don't hold. It is buying right now, but I'm hoping it sells. Yeah. So let's wait for it. It is like 2 minutes to come. I want it to either take out these highs, then start selling into this. Right there. The XY has reached this lower what favor gap that we marked. If I move this, you'll probably see it. This one, meaning this one, the lower one, it has reached it. You can see right there that it was my target. If it reaches there, it will probably buy, and it has tapped into that. So if you can get DXY on your chart, you can buy it, but it's better you just sell Euro USD. You can sell right now and wait for the but and remember you should scalp. Yeah, just took out the highs. So let's see. Let's first look on other currencies. GBP USD buying. Yeah, told you it is looking for those highs up there. It has reached, this one has reached the favor gap. And if you always doesn't go in one direction, so don't be scared about that. Then this one, NZUSD is moving on our setup. I'm hoping NZUSD reaches this level. Yeah. GBP AUD hasn't moved very well yet. The USD has reached where I was hoping it. First take out the highs, then start selling. That was my take. You can start selling it right now, but remember scalp. Scalping is the best thing to do. Once that it has already taken it or it has not, let's see. It has already taken the high right there, so it might be going for lows right now. Let's wait and see a little bit. It has reached where we want it, so this one DXY, we want it to go back to the top. BUSD has taken up the highs. I'm already selling it, and I'm probably going to hold my stop loss. On this high. That high. But risk what you can lose, and I can lose up there. If it is, you want it to move, let's check 30-minute time frame. Let's check 5-minute. It has made this imbalance, so I want it to come back to cover it up. Thus, if it reaches this point, we'll be scalping it off. BPUSD is also buying. USDJPY selling really hard. If Euro USD takes out my stop loss up there, I'll be out for today. Risk what you can lose. Yeah, man. This USDJPY. Now we have a favor gap right here, which has to respect. As the USD has reached our it hasn't reached the line, but I am hoping it reaches this line. If we go to the 5-minute time frame, you can see the setup we had. Okay. This was a good favor gap which this market tapped 3 times to move. This had to be the TP. This market has to cover back this space that it has left, so probably if it doesn't hit my stop loss, it will cover it up. Yeah, man. This is my stop loss, reaches there, I am out. Yeah. Let's give this a wait. But if it comes back to this point, I'll be scalping it off. Yeah, because this will be working as a what they call it, support. Yeah, support. This and this, they work as support if the market is coming back down. In supply and demand, I usually called it let me mark it right. If you watch in the recent videos I posted, you can see this. I used to call it inverted V liquidity. If this market is coming back into this this place, it will be hard for it to reach here, because this inverted V liquidity will be pushing it up again. So this, now there are two, this and this, they will not allow this market to go down here. And if it goes further, it will reach this little favor gap right here, and then it will react to the top. Okay, so let me remove this. Let's give it a wait. We got on the time frame, we got the analyze session. On the time frame, buying, but probably wanted to sell. It has been buying from morning. I want USD to sell, and it has to sell before it takes out this high. Okay. It has been leaving a lot of favor gaps down. It has left this one, it has left this one, so I am hoping it comes back, and I know it will. but it might come back after hitting a stop loss, which is okay. Okay, but you boy, you are buying, but you are leaving gaps behind. 5 minutes. Okay, so now this has qualified to be a fair value gap because this one has closed and this one has opened. So we have another one right here. 3 of them now. I want this market to come back to this line. That one. And it goes on that line. That's where this high is. Yeah. We're going to go out with the profits we made the last days, or Friday is giving us something to eat. Probably chasing this high, which there is a stop loss. As I said at first, they are always looking for our stop loss, which is okay. Give it a wait. Okay. Alright. Let's wait for this. It's looking for this high. Or these two, both of them. There. Let's give this a wait. If it takes out our stop loss, then we are fucking out. Yeah, man. But what I know very well, after it takes out our highs, it will go back into these gaps it is leaving behind, which is very sad. That's how the market fucking moves. There's left a nice favorable gap right there, so let's give it a wait. Come on, do something. Hit the stop loss, hit the TP. Has taken these two highs. I was hoping it moves, reaches this point according to my analysis, and then starts selling off to this point. Or I was hoping it sells to this point, then buys. But it is just doing the one direction movement, which is unlike the NFP we know very well. This one is likely to buy in the same direction. Okay. It is also not even volatile than I expected on Euro USD. It is looking for these highs, and if you are trading it right now, You can chase it into this upper high. It is very risky, but you can chase it. So the same to this one, you can chase it. It is risky, but take the risk. This is the news we know. Also, let's check on the 1 minute time frame. If it giving us a little entries, little ones, can take the opportunity, but there's not even anything like a setup. Maybe here there was. You can chase the sell or chase the buy, because according to what I'm saying, this market is likely not to make wicks. I was hoping something like this to happen. Let me show you right here. This sells, then buys. Yeah, that's what I was hoping. But this candle is likely to sell in one direction. If you have ever traded NFP, this is not how it behaves most of the kind. CPI also the same. Euro JPY hasn't reacted in 10 point. And ZUSD has reached the point we wanted it to reach. This blue line, as I told you, you can buy and chase this blue line. It has already reached there. USD, please reach there. Confirm us. Yeah. But my first entry was here. Sell, then the other two right here. Yeah, sorry, right here. So if it is sells to this point, I'll be scalping off these two and leaving this to hold. If it takes out the stop loss, my first entry was a little bit lower, 0.50, and then the second one, it was one not right here. To this point is the stop loss. Always don't just enter the Oreo like field size at the first entry. First put a little size, and if the market keeps going in a different direction that you thought, then you add more entries. If it turns, you scalp. That's like that. Just like that. If you're watching, please like, subscribe. Always do that. Let's give this a wait. I wanted this live to be like for 1 hour, so if 1 hour clocks, I'll close it and we wait for our phones, and I'll be leaving with updates to let you know. Yeah, because you can't just be on the live for the full day. Let's give it a wait. We see where it is going. Probably I want it to come back into these gaps it is leaving behind. There's this one, and this one. It has not tapped in any of that, which it's not good, just gonna leave them uncovered. But where it has reached right now, for a good advice, for a good risker, you can put a buy in your other account and put a buy right here, and in the market reaches this line, which is a stop loss, then you get out. You can scalp or in between this space. Buy here, scalp in between this space. Also advisable, but for when you're going to scalp, high scalping, yeah. Yeah, can hold on to that, or you can just buy at the top into that line, the blue line that I've marked. Yeah, it is coming down slowly and slowly. We want it here. Yeah, those are still on. It's a good time. Thanks for watching, thanks for everything, but let's first wait for this ship to move well. You can text me on WhatsApp and leave us with a message for the review. Yeah. Okay, according to the stream time, I think it is 1 hour. Seconds just left. Want it to be 1 hour, exactly 1 hour. So I'll be ending it and we'll be waiting in our group chat to see whatever it will be doing. But remember, our stop loss is right here, just there on this side. You can buy and test the stop loss, or you can hold your trades till it hits them and then but I'm hoping we get out at this point. That's here. Yeah, that's it. Let's give this a wait. Let's end the stream. See you next time, guys.